what if makamit ko yung success, pero lahat ng mga tao kung bakit ginawa ko, yung naging dahilan kung bakit ko siya ginawa in the first place, wala na sila. Parang ganun. So,
Oh, okay. We all have this fear in us, right? We can relate.
alam mo, parang nakakalungkot na sino pagkukwentuhan mo, sino,
Yeah, I'm getting all this success, but the people behind my success, what if I get it in the first place, but people, the reason why I got all this success, if they're not there, then what I will feel, I mean, that's a real fear, and I have that fear.
ano pang reason mag-celebrate kung wala na yung mga dahilan,
You can see all of them are silent because we all relate to this.
di ba? Parang weird siya. So, yun yung isa sa mga
Look at all their faces. You can tell what they're thinking.
nakatakot ko talaga na mangyari. Bukod doon, kasi ginagawa mo yung best mo every time eh. What if after everything that you have given, kasi you can only do so much.
Yeah, I want to share my success with everyone. I want everyone to be happy to see me that yes, I have done it and I have done it because of you guys. But what if those people are not there when I like this is real fear.
Nag-fail pa rin. Pero sabi nga, there's no reason not to try, di ba? Parang gagawin mo pa rin best mo. Hindi masama mangarap ka at mangarap, pero live in the present. Kasi marami kang maging regrets kapag nawala na yung mga bagay-bagay dyan habang ginagawa mo etong bagay na to.